Hi, I'm AJ, and I think I created something that could be super useful. If you're a screen print shop on Squarespace, I built something for you. So you know the drill. Someone fills out your contact form, calls you, you email back and forth a few times. Maybe they ghost you, maybe they don't. I built something that fixes that. A quote calculator. So after you purchase, you get access to a private setup page. You put in your shop name, email, garments, and what they cost. Your print locations, your quantity price breaks, everything exactly how your shop prices the work. Hit preview, and there's your calculator live with your numbers. A customer can pick their garment, enter their sizes, tell you how many inks per location, and they get an instant estimate based on your actual pricing, not a generic number, yours. And when they're ready, they hit send. The email app opens up and every detail is already filled in. Garment sizes, locations, ink counts, all of it. You wake up to a complete quote request ready to price. So you just copy and paste the code, put it in your Squarespace code block, and it's live on your site. It takes about 20 minutes total max. It's a one-time purchase, no subscription, it's locked to your domain, and the links below, there's a live demo you can try before you buy. I think it's something that can be very useful, getting the quote to almost complete and putting it in your hands to close with a range of price so that you can wiggle as you need. I think it's very useful and based off of real world scenarios that screen printers are trying to solve. So if this is for you, give it a try.